there's nothing to help. Watch me run by, one. Oh my God.
Hey guys, it's Allie, and I haven't made a slime video in a while. I mean, I did the putty video like a few weeks ago, but whether that counts as slime is debatable. So I got this make your own magnetic slime for Christmas, age 6 and up. So I figured I'll finally just do it and see if it works out. Because if you guys remember, OGs will know the last time I tried a slime kit, it didn't exactly work very well. So I'm going to get this open and see what happens. So let's try this together. Okay, so first of all, this smells so good, I can't explain it. And then look at this. This is so weird. This is the magnetic thing that's sticking to it. And then we have cardboard. Ooh, so let's see how we do this. Contents, test tube lid, packet of slime powder, cardboard strip, magnet. You also need a permanent marker, water, scissors, stirring stick. So remove the contents from the test tube. Use cardboard strip to make the test tube holder by rolling it into a circle. Okay, so the cardboard was important. Okay, whoops. So I kind of just have to eyeball it. My vision is off, but I believe that is accurate enough for the water. Ooh, hope it doesn't fall. Open the powder with scissors and do not use your teeth. Okay. Go to my pants. Woo. So I have to pour all this in. So I missed, but you know. Oh wow, I suck at this. Okay, so I'll pour that in. Yeah, totally didn't get any of it on the ground. Nope. And stir it. Whoa. Now we have to shake it. And then check on it every few minutes. So I'll let you know if we get anything. Left-handed shaking, and it's getting heavier. Ooh. Solidify. So now I have to wait and shake it every few minutes. There's like gross powdery stuff anywhere. Everywhere. And then we just have to keep doing this. And then hold the magnet to the slime and we'll see how it reacts. So I hope I did it right. Okay, so it's been like 40 minutes, but wow. I did not expect this to work. This is actually really good. See if I can get it all out, but I did not think it was gonna work. Wow. Okay, hold on. Let me get it all out and then I can show you. Okay, so it's very hard to get out of the container and I need to clean up this mess, but this is what it looks like. It's actually so cool because it sticks to the magnet. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So this kit actually worked a lot better than I thought. So I'm really happy with it. You guys should try this if you want some cool magnetic slime. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment if you can, and we'll see you later. Bye!